Hello everyone, I Professor Neha Dikshit going to explain you Rockwell hardness test, and this is one hardness test included in your syllabus from the unit number 2 material testing and characterization techniques. Hardness test, first of all we will see what is the meaning of the hardness. Hardness is the ability of metal to resist indentation or penetration. Hardness increases strength of metal, also toughness increases accordingly. Hardness is also referred as resistance to scratching, abrasion or cut. Hardness of a metals may be defined by the following ways. First way is the indentation hardness. It is resistance offered by a metal to permanent indentation during the application of a static or dynamic loads. Second type of hardness is the rebound hardness. It is also called as the elastic hardness. It is the amount of energy absorbed by the material under the impact load. Third is the scratch hardness. It is the resistance of a metal to scratching, which indicates strength and plastic properties of a material. Fourth type of hardness is cutting hardness. It is resistance of metals to various cutting operations like drilling, milling, etc. Next type of hardness, that is the fifth type of hardness, is abrasive hardness. It is defined as resistance of a metals to wear and abrasion when it is subjected to sliding, rolling. There are various tests available to check the hardness of a material that are listed below. First one is the Brinell hardness test, Vickers hardness test, Rockwell hardness test, micro hardness test, superficial hardness test, Poldy hardness test, shear celebroscope hardness test, durometers, Mohs hardness test. From these, some tests are applicable for the metals and some tests are applicable for the non-metals. In this session, I am going to explain you the Rockwell hardness test. First of all, we will see the significance of the test. This test is most widely used method. Principle of this test is resistance offered by the metal for the depth of the indentation. In this, depth of indentation is a measure of a hardness. Specimen surface should be made of a flat parallel to the base of for the testing. It should be clean to remove oil, grease or scale from the surface. Smooth polished surface is not necessary as required in a Brinell or Vickers hardness number. This is the test instrument for the Rockwell hardness test. Two types of loads are used. First load is known as a minor load of 10 kg and major load of 50, 100 or 150 kg. Minor load is necessary to break surface of a film on the specimen as well as to hold the specimen in the position. Major load is applied, when applied it gives a true indentation on the specimen. Indenter used in this Rockwell hardness test, that are also two types. First is the hardened steel ball indenter having the size 1 by 16 inch, 1 by 8 inch, 1 by 4 inch and 1 by 2 inch diameter. And second type of indenter is diamond cone indenter. It is having the angle between opposite faces is 120 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees sorry. Scales A, B and C are used with the combination of a major loads and indenters. Suppose case hardened steel or thin materials have to check, then for that scale A we have to use, and for that scale indenter type of indenter is diamond cone. Minor load is 10 kg and major load is 60 kg. Suppose the any specimen is having the hardened steel material and cast iron, then for that C scale is used, and for that diamond cone indenter having minor load you have to apply 10 kg and major load you have to apply the 50 kg. Now we will see the test procedure. First step is place specimen on anvil. Anvil is raised up till the minor load of 10 kg is applied. This will indicate by the small dial and pointer. Proper selection of an indenter and major load is done. Major load is applied gradually and then released. Hardness number can be obtained directly on the dial. Precautions: the surface of the specimen should be flat. Care should be taken that successive impressions should not be superimposed on one another at the time of hardness determination. Now, the topic is advantages and disadvantages of the Rockwell hardness test. Advantages of Rockwell hardness test. It is more flexible than the Brinell hardness test because more number of combinations of indenters and major load, due to which wide range of metals can be tested using this test. Highly polished and smooth surface is not required. Test procedure is so fast and quick that hardness number is obtained directly on the dial. Impression is so small, the test may be considered as non-destructive test for the certain applications, and least skilled operator is required. Disadvantages of the Rockwell hardness test or Rockwell hardness number. This test is not suitable for the porous bearings or powder metallurgical components. So, the calibration is required periodically. Proper scale and indenter should be chosen, otherwise wrong hardness number will obtain. Thank you for the listening.